her lowest moment when she did not know what to do, you were there for her. Na in your life, Kat, I can be the missing piece. I will be the father of our children, and I won't be leaving our children or you anytime soon. I'll be there for our family. Father, tuloy pa rin kaming ikasal kahit na pwedeng magbago ang puso namin, kahit na pwedeng magbago ang minamahal namin, kasi Father, ang mahalaga, we grow together. And we grow together when we write our story together. 'Okay lang magbago, basta magbago tayo together. Evolve together, adjust together, learn together, grow together, write your stories together.
Six months lang kami nag-prepare. Konting oras lang, kaya medyo stressful. Pero ngayong nandito na, parang worth it naman.
Kinakabahan na excited. Hindi ko ma-experience. Kung ano naman ang mangyari o magkameron, hindi man maiwasan kung magkameron ng problema sa future, na pag-uusapan naman. Andiyan naman yung mga family natin para tulungan tayo. As long as magkasama tayo, kaya.
Basta kaya natin lahat yan. Kahit anong mangyari. Kaya nga natin eh. Hanggang dito.
We were made for this. 'Sometimes the story is painful. Sometimes the story is about waiting for a long, long time. Para bang yung efforts, wala namang pupuntahan. And sometimes the story is maraming maling akala. Minsan ganun ang kwento. Pero it's okay. Kasi kwento nyo pa rin yun. That's what it means to grow together.